Welcome to Majestic. Majestic currently holds the largest link intelligent database on the web. This video introduction will explain how to get to grips with the information Majestic provides to help you better position your business within your industry sector. You'll learn what tools to use when analysing the link data we collate from the internet. And with a wealth of reports and data to play with, you'll soon be easily identifying market trends and intelligence on your competitors so that you can improve search rankings, identify influencers, and stay one step ahead. You can access the blog section at any time to find out the latest Majestic news, events, and ambassador information. Majestic's Fresh Index updates several times a day, and we see around 1 billion URLs every 24 hours. This constant crawling of the internet provides users with a vast amount of current, reliable, and trustworthy backlink data. The links are then analysed via two flow metrics, trust and citation flow, a comparison of the quality versus the quantity of backlinks. Ideally, you want to have these two numbers to roughly match each other so that you know that your site is well linked to and that these links are trusted so as not to hurt your website rankings within search engine results. Just remember from trust flow's understanding, the higher the trust flow, the better recognized and trusted your site will be. But for more information on this, just check out our Flow Metrics tutorial. It's probably also worth mentioning at this point that if you're completely new to backlink data analysis and a first-time user of Majestic, then there's an up-to-date glossary under the Support tab, where all the key concepts behind Majestic are explained, as well as other industry terminology. Not only will the glossary help you understand Majestic, but it'll also help you when interpreting your data. Using Majestic's dataset, you can really drill down into what the link data means for your site by using our different tools and charts. If you go to the Tools tab, you have a choice of selecting from a number of different ways to analyse your data. For a deep dive explanation of how each tool works, navigate to Majestic's online tutorials on our how-to video webpage or via our YouTube channel. Majestic Site Explorer is the tool most people use when first using Majestic. This provides the user with extremely detailed data on exactly who is linking to any domain or website, what industry these links pertain to, where the links are coming from, what anchor text is being used, and if the links are nofollow. Using the different tabs at the top, you can explore different options. Majestic even allows you to export the full data to CSV, TSV, or Excel format, allowing you to rank, sort, organize, and study your data in more detail. Majestic has also introduced a raw export button, a way to download all links pointing to any website. On top of this, the different ways that you can study the data using Majestic's tools can be found within the Tools tab. Doing this is really simple. Whether you want to compare sites, look at specific link map tools, or verify ownership of your website, you can select the tool to suit your needs. If you're unsure of the purpose of each item, just check out the handy summary at the top of the page. We do recommend that you're registered and signed in to your Majestic account so you can access all the tools. The registration process is really simple. There are a number of subscription packages available, including a free account option with no strings attached. Just fill in your details and hit Sign Up, and you'll receive an activation link via email. At any point, if you need more help, just email sales@majestic.com or visit our contact page, and one of our Majestic customer advisors will be on hand to answer your questions. Thanks for watching.